What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ka jala ubak mi yakatana transport ubak singa bahalang dhar ula ong baka sorkar jala kansa shim yakarai ha kabaya day bat kalinti ral tat hadien ka jinga selok bat barok kinhun baper haba jubab ya ka jingkeli halur ka jingdawa ka rel kit mar ubak singa bahalang ula ong POE gidan hangni nakabenta upai ba tada ki pai ba ki menjur kanam dan jing nakabenta jongi Henry ula banjur ba ka nogo ka rai halor ka ni ka kam kan dan kam ya ka jing sngot hu jing mat ka bajelio Henry POE kum karal kit mar bat lentiral ni ha panya kran shwa bat baro batat hadien ka ni kum ka sorkar ngin sa shim ya ka rai ula benram usambut Menteri Rangba ula pen pau shai ba ka rai kam dei bakan shim tang da ka nogo ka than Henry ka dan kam ya ka jing menjur lang na baro ki than Omdan jantia omdan khasi manu belong ki bakloi kum tangin sa shim yakarai ula ong haba banjur halur ka jingkong san jo ka jingang menjur lang ka wei yakabakum ka ni ka project.
We are here for the people. If people is agree, no problem for us. But you see, like good train or the railway station, everything, we have to take first everybody on board. Only then as a government will take action, which I keep repeating, telling every now and then. No Jaintia, no Khasi, whoever be ready, then we'll take a call.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.